Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, transferring USDT from Binance to Delta Exchange India is a must-know skill for seamless trading and asset management. Today, I'll walk you through this step by step, so you can do it quickly and securely. Let's jump right in. First things first, before you start, make sure you have verified accounts on both Binance and Delta Exchange India. You'll also need some USDT in your Binance wallet. This ensures everything goes smoothly without any hiccups. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section and select Withdraw. It's usually right there on the main dashboard for easy access. Next, choose USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Now, here's the key part. You need the deposit address from Delta Exchange. So, open a new tab, log into your Delta Exchange India account, go to the Deposit section, select USDT, and copy the wallet address provided. Double-check that it's for the correct network, like Tron or ERC20, to avoid any transfer issues. Back on Binance, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, but remember to check the minimum withdrawal limit and any network fees. These can vary, so keep an eye on your costs. Before you hit confirm, review everything carefully, the address, amount, and network. Once you're sure, go ahead and confirm the withdrawal. The transfer might take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. A quick tip. Always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security, and never share your wallet addresses publicly. That way, you minimize risks in the crypto world. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred USDT from Binance to Delta Exchange India. This process keeps your assets moving efficiently in 2025's fast-paced market. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.